This portion is brought to you by the new Petron XCS Complete Combustion System. Fuel your drive.
Back inside the Big Dome kung saan lamang po ang Santa Lucia Realtors laban sa Air 21, 65-59. A lot is at stake for Santa Lucia. They are gunning not just for their 8th consecutive win but more importantly, an automatic spot in the semifinals. Magandang hapon sa kanilang lahat. Nico Halili kasama si Rado Di Malibot and Rado. Closely fought ball game so far, but Air 21, they don't want to give up this game just like that to Santa Lucia.
Yung ating first half, Migo, gustong-gusto ito ng mga batang fans ng basketball. Ang gagandang mga tirang nakikita natin dito na exciting ball game. Nung first quarter, nagsimula kagad ng mahigit itong Air 21. Batang kupunan ng Santa Lucia, bumawi kagad at pinakita nila ang kadahilanan kung bakit hawak nila ang isang 7-game winning streak. Ibang klaseng basketball ang nakita natin dito sa first half.
Tingnan po natin ang mga numero nung unang dalawang yugto ng ating laban.
Well, ang field goal shooting, ito talaga ang fantastic dito sa kupunan ng Santa Lucia. They shot 52% from the 2-point area, but the more fantastic 78% from the 3-point line. 7 out of 9 for 21 points. Samantalang sa points on the paint, well, nakalamang pa dyan ng Air 21. Very patient in looking for the open man na usually nagiging recipient yan would be Homer C. at itong si Arwin Santos. Samantala sa perimeter points naman, even the big men na namumuno sa scoring for Santa Lucia, they tally 29 points. Si Bitoy Omulon ang nangunguna dyan with 25.
Ayan na nga ang prime time performance ni Bitoy Omolon, the man of the moment for Santa Lucia, leading all scorers without a shadow of a doubt. Ang Air 21 naman, hindi naman basta-basta nagpapaiwan dito with Homer C. Arwin Santos and Nino Candeleta leading the charge.
Highlighted yung 16 at 14 ni Homer C. at saka ni Arwin Santos. Bitoy Omolon ganun din, pero yung kay Paulo Mendoza with 12, medyo tahimik na tahimik but he's there. At lahat ng mga crew ni Coach Boyd Fernandez ably supporting doon sa kanilang scoring. At hindi natin maaaring makalimutan yung mga contribution ni Ryan Reyes dyan. Although he's not scoring, he's taking control of the tempo of the game.
And once again, ang nakataya po rito for Santa Lucia is not just their winning streak, it's the privilege of joining Pure Foods in a very exclusive semi-final club dahil sila yung unang papasok doon. At ang Air 21 naman, technically they have nothing to lose here, nothing to gain, nothing to lose, but ayaw mo naman na kung papasok ka ng wild card, you're going in with no momentum at all.
Kaya ang Alaska dito, talagang nanonood pa rin dahil close ang ball game nito. Sabi nga ni Coach Tim Gon, nung huling nanood siya ng isang laban ng Santa Lucia at Air 21 para makalaban nila sa isang semifinals berth, tinambakan na kagad ng Santa Lucia. Not in this ball game, especially both teams are playing very well and playing as a team. Isang mahalagang numero ng ating hindi dapat kalimutan sa assist department. Parehong nagbibigay ng maraming assist ng magkabilang kupunan. 18 assists for Santa Lucia, 17 ang kupunan ng Air 21. So this is really one hell of a basketball game.
And it's been very close. And we'll bring you the second half. And this was your Petron Extra Leaded Halftime Report.
This portion was brought to you by the new Petron XCS Complete Combustion System. Fuel your drive.
Sa second half, laban ng Air 21 at Santa Lucia. Mamaya po maghaharap pa. That's why we have this great Sunday crowd. No? Maghaharap sa Talk and Text at Ginebra. Dito ang Barangay Big Dome. A nice Sunday crowd on hand. Witness our Sunday doubleheader. Kami po nagagalak na kasama namin kayo over ABC Sports. Meantime, Marlo Aquino with a nice drive, but layup will not drop. And the Express begin the second half with Arboleda, Rani Del De Ocampo, Arwin Santos, Homer C, and Jack Chia, and Marlo Aquino naiwan in the backcourt as Jack Chia gets a TM3.
Tumupi siya dahil tinamaan siya dun sa bahagi ng katawan. Ayaw niya matamaan.
Hindi dapat tamaan.
Oo, kaya kailangan tumalon-talon muna. Alam ng mga basketball player yan kung ano kanilang itinatalon kapag tinamaan sila.
Meantime, the Realtors begin the second half with Marlo Aquino scored on that layup and kasama pang foul. Along with Kelly Williams, Paulo Mendoza, Ryan Reyes, and Bitoy Omolon.
Yan yung pinag-uusapan natin na effectiveness si Marlo Aquino in this ball game. He's been very silent but very effective. Very strong on the post. So, kapag nakiklik na ang iyong mga 3-point shooting at the same time, you're very steady sa ilalim. Yan po ang pinapakita ng Santa Lucia. That's why they're on top by 5.
Si Homer C. tinawagan ng foul is third person. A minute having gone by here in the third quarter. Here's Ronaldel De Ocampo. Turnaround is no good. Rebound para kay Omolon.
Ito naman ang big star ng Air 21 na hinahanap pa rin nila. Sabi with fouls, kung si Ronaldel De Ocampo hindi pa nagkakukontribute ng maigi for the Air 21 Express.
Unlike Omolon, who has contributed a lot in this ball game, 25 points to be exact. Turnover against against Santa Lucia. At sabi ni Arboleda, ipato ko kaya sa likod ni Ryan Reyes.
Sa harap mismo ng Santa Lucia, Betty. Walang reaction. Natulala yung talaga Santa Lucia.
Pwede bang astig play yun?
Pwede.
O wais play?
Magic. Kahit si Ryan
Wala
Reyes.
man lang umaga.
Kahit si Ryan Reyes, dapat ko sa likod. Ano nangyari, Rod? Habol lang ako sa depensa eh.
Normally ginagawa yun, pag yung pa-out of bounds ka na, ibabato mo, di ba? Yung kay Arboleda, hindi eh.
Walang mapasahan.
Wala sa mapasahan, pinasa lang niya sa batok ni Ryan Reyes. Here's Arboleda, sabi niya, sama, ito na lang, sa'yo ko na lang ibabato. Bumalik sa kanya, ball is alive, pwede naman yun, tuloy ang ligaya.
Ito naman, walang nakapag-reaction.
Nagulat eh. I think they were just too surprised that Arboleda had the guts to do it.
Nadire. Kasi kung mag-react pa sila doon, baka huli sila sa camera na medyo nagulat na.
Pwede pala yun.
Hindi ni Arboleda talaga eh.
Pero tuloy ang atake ni Bitoy Omolon.
So patuloy din yung ating prediction na magiging career ball game na ito. Ang kanya pong career best is 29 points. Now he has 27. At ipinusta ko na po ang aking talent kay Migo na pero
maabot.
Ang kapalit lang naman yun ay hotdog.
Ang career high pala is 30 points. Conference high is 29.
Correct. So,
Pero malapit na rin.
hindi nagkakalayo.
Konti na lang.
3 points na lang.
Meantime, let's go to Eric Reyes.
Kapag-usapan nyo ng atong si Winnie Arboleda hindi dahil binato niya ng bola si Ryan Reyes wala na siyang respeto. Sa katunayan nga sabi sa akin ni Winnie Arboleda talagang grabe yung respeto nila kay Ryan Reyes. Kahit physically mo hindi umaatras, laban pa rin siya as a rookie. Kaya nga sabi niya kailangan daw niya i-pressure ng mabuti itong si Ryan Reyes para talaga hindi makapag-produce ngayong gabi for Air 20 or for Santa Lucia. Nico?
Kailangan rin batuhin ng bola sa bato.
Yung iba pag sumasakit ng batok eh. Yan ang kadiri! Wala slam dunk! Well, Calimino, sabi natin, tahimik na tahimik! Natulala tayo rin!
At biglang nagising itong ating barangay breakdown. With over 9 minutes to go in the third quarter. Babawi sana doon si Arwin Santos. No dice. Santa Lucia on top by 8. And Bitoy Omolon goes all the way. Almost but not quite.
That dunk was sick! Ang tindi no?
Really? Tingnan nga natin. Alley-oop! Hey! Yakult, every day okay. Sigurado ka dyan.
Nako, yung mga gumagawa ng sapatos, alam mo, merong klase na picture si Shaquille O'Neal habang nagdadak. Itong si Kelly Williams, meron na rin eh. At akala mo, simple-simple yung ginawa ni Kelly Williams. Eh lahat ng tao dito talagang gustong kulang na lang. Ipagawa ulit ang replay. Buti na lang kayong nanonood sa inyong mga bahay. Meron kayong replay.
That dunk is sick.
It's very sick.
Nice one, bro. So, bagi sa atin. Here's Ronaldel De Ocampo. Goes inside and he scores. May kasama pang foul.
Hip-hop naman ako dati. Hip-hop atoms. The 200 pounds pa.
I will not contest that.
Ito, si Ronaldel De Ocampo finally ay makakapagtala rin ng kanyang mga puntos dito dahil so far ay meron pa lamang 3 ito. Si Ronaldel for the bonus free throw na ipasok na.
Ayaw pa rin magpaiwan dito ng Air 21. Realtors on top, 73-66 as we approach the 8-minute mark of the third quarter. Here's Williams to Gonzalez. And now Omolon. For 3. Yes, sir! DLS for Bitoy Omolon!
At huwag ka! Alam ni Bitoy Omolon, nararamdaman niya.
Homer say, yes, off the glass.
Pero wag ka si Homer C. Ibang klase na yung pinapakita nito si Homer C dito sa scoring. nakakapagtala na ng 18 puntos to.
Gonzalez for 3. Rebound para kay Arwin Santos. 8 points ang inahabol dito ng Air 21. Arboleda and Court. And who gets the ball? It's with Denok Miranda. And Omolon on the move. Omolon is fouled.
Kailangan ng foul nito. Masyado nang mainit ang scoring ni Bitoy Omolon.
Career ball game for Nelbert Bitoy Omolon with yet another TM press. And he now has 32 points, playing the game of his life.
I'm really happy for this kinds of player, no? Nastong si Bitoy Omolon. Mga workhorse ito eh. Mga hindi iniinda kung ano yung role na binibigay sa kanila. Mas kilala si defensive player, but given the athleticism, yung pagpupursige kita mo. Tally this career high of 32 points in an all-important ball game. Dito daw nasusubok yung mga great players eh, kapag yung mahalagang laro.
Ito yung sukatan ng talagang galing at tatapang ng mga manlalaro.
Parang yung free throws niya. Namin ito si Dalya.
Di bale, meron naman siya 32 points eh. So far his career high here in the PBA as Ranadel de Ocampo in and out yung kanyang tira. Under 8 minutes remaining here in the third period. Here's Omolon, the man of the moment without a doubt. Pinasa kay Espino. Espino laban kay Ranadel de Ocampo, and that's foul call downstairs.
Alam mo, talagang mapapangiti ka pag nakita mo yung mga galaw ni Marlo kanina. Ngayon si Dennis Espino. Same moves pero hindi pa rin mahuli itong mga bata. Di Ocampo naman, masakit-sakit ito. 5 na ang personal foul nito. Magsisimula pa lamang umiscore.
Uh-oh. Watch out!
UC plays na rason kung bakit ang basketball ay isang spectator sport. Sarap panoorin ito, mga tataas tumalon. Very athletic itong ating mga players. At si Kelly Williams only with 5 points, pero isang 3-pointer yan at isang umaalingaw-ngaw na slam dunk. So yung 5 points siya, lahat memorable eh.
Kelly Williams, slam dunk king of the conference. I'm sure KG Candeleta has something to say about that.
At saka 8 wins straight.
8
Win straight.
straight.
Pantex yan.
Tip yun eh.
Actually, tinitext niya, sabi niya, nasa TV ako.
Marvin Cruz is back in the ball game at speaking ng 30-second timeout dito ang Air 21 with 7 and 19 to go in the third period. Lamang pa rin na Santa Lucia, 76-68. Ato na, full timeout na ang hiniling dito. We'll be right back with more action. Back inside the championship capital of Philippine basketball, the Araneta Coliseum for the PBA on ABC. PBA Sunday po tayo. Unang laban natin, Santa Lucia versus Air 21. Mamaya naman magkaharap Barangay Ginebra at Talk and Text Phone Pals. Nico Halili kasama si Rado Di Malibot, Peaches Aberin, and Eric Reyes sa kanyang Los Cuatros Fantasticos para sa ABC Sports. At ngayon naman hanapin natin ang ating Pure Foods TJ Hotdog Fan Bite. The cutest fan in the house. At patuloy pa natin hinahanap yan. Yan ang ating Pure Foods TJ Hotdog Fan Bite, brought to you by Pure Foods TJ Hotdogs. Kids can tell.
Kung naghahanap ka sila yung mga cameraman natin, isang maliit na mamang kumakain ng hotdog, dapat sa panel sila nag-zoom. Hindi lang bata pero maliit.
Cute kasi.
Aki yun.
Here's Derek Miranda, crosses the half-court line, over to Espino. Espino on the move, Espino all the way!
This is what we're talking about. The veterans of Santa Lucia rather na ikisabay dito sa kanilang mga bata. We're taking the game out of Air 21 already.
Here's Arwin Santos for 3. Ito, critical juncture ito para sa Air 21. Santa Lucia threatening to pull away. Joseph Yo over to Espino. As we reach the halfway mark of the third quarter, Espino working his way inside, bounce pass Gonzalez, and the layup is good.
Kita mo naman, we're talking about the assist of both teams, pero ang Santa Lucia, mas balanced ang kanilang mga half-court plays dito sa third quarter. Lumalayo na, this is the biggest lead, 12.
Nice getaway mula kay Marvin Cruz. And he has 4 markers today.
Pero dapat ma-realize ng Air 21. Yung di na nagbigay ng kalamangan sa Santa Lucia rito because Air 21 is playing one-on-one basketball. Hindi nila na-involve ang kanilang mga kampay so far from the second to the third quarter.
Bola na punta kay Kramer. Over to Marvin Cruz. 5:49 to go. In the third quarter, Marvin Cruz fires and he will take 2.
Napakagat niya itong si Joseph Yo. Una pa lamang ito kay Joseph Yo. Pero dito sa mga highlight basketball na nakikita natin, lalo na kung nakasabay dito si Joseph Yo.
Kung mapapansin niyo po, as Marvin Cruz takes his first free throw, bagong hair doon itong si Doug Kramer. Clean look. Ba't ba niya ginawa ito, Peaches?
Yun nga, I was gonna tell you, Doug is sporting a new hairstyle, or should I say no hairstyle kasi nga, sinave niya lahat ito. Well, he says he did this kasi masyado na daw siyang nahabaan sa buhok niya, and he wants to start new daw since it's the new year. And also, you all know, this year is also his wedding to longtime girlfriend Cheska Garcia. So, tinanong ko, since you always change your hairstyle, what will you sport on the day of your wedding? Sabi niya, well, I like my hair light blonde. But since Cheska likes it all gone, I might do that because I leave the decision to her, at least for the wedding, guys.
Yes, Kelly Williams scores it. You know, as you notice, si Alex Compton, nagpakalbo. Si Kramer nagpakalbo. Ako nagpakalbo. It's something that, you know, we mestizos, kailangan namin gawin minsan.
Tama, pinasimulan ko yan 2 months ago.
Here's Gonzalez with the rebound.
Ang problema ko sa pagpapakalbo ko, minsan parang mabagal na yung pagbalik parang nagtatampo na.
Tinuturuan ka ng leksyon. Here's Gonzalez and he scores underneath. At lumayo na ang Santa Lucia dito. 84-70 with under 5 minutes to go in the third quarter. Kaya humingi na ng 30-second timeout dito ang Air 21.
It's nice to see player. Kanina, Bitoy Omulon, Heaven scoring. Pagpapahinga niya, Norman Gonzalez, na kanina pa umi-score yun. Not only in this second half, yung first half, nagtala na rin ito ng isang 3-pointer.
Santa Lucia gunning for that semifinal slot at oras na para mag-San Miguelite. San Miguelite, mahaba-habang kulitan, mahaba-habang katuwaan, mahaba-habang inuman. San Miguelite.
Nung pinapakita yung picture, naalala ko yung pelikula nung kabataan namin, Bagets. Mga Bagets.
Bagito. Bagets. Meantime, here's Marvin Cruz. Isang bagets dito sa PPA. Pero di bagets yung galaw na yan, ha?
Sabay-sabay yung araw na ito, sabi, dahil laki pa rin nila kay Marvin Cruz yun.
6 points off the bench for marvelous Marvin Cruz. Pero lamang pa rin ang Santa Lucia dito as Denok Miranda goes around the world. Miranda fires open shot. No. Naleta clears the rebound. 4.5 remaining in the third period. Score natin 84-72. 12-point lead para sa Santa Lucia. Marvin Cruz. Nawakan ni Paulo Mendoza. And I believe Paulo Mendoza and Marvin Cruz are the only UPIS juniors players to have made it to the PBA. Am I correct?
Purong-purong UP yan. High school at saka college. No?
Kasi tinanong ko nung minsan si Marvin yun din ang kanyang pananaw Sila lang talagang dalaw.
Both heavy scorers in that time. Ang mapapagmalaki lang ni Marvin, during his time lang nag-champion ng UPIS.
He was a champion.
Ang mapapagmalaki naman ni Paulo Mendoza.
May championship na siya sa PBA.
At siya lang yung naka-score ng 63 points sa UPIS. Or na, UAAP season.
Because Paulo Mendoza was a one-man scoring machine.
Correct.
When he was playing in the UAP Juniors.
Oy, talk about the University of the Philippines. Happy Centennial po.
Congratulations.
Sa lahat ng estudyante at mga alumni ng University of the Philippines. Nag-kick off kami nung nakaraan linggo. Daming taas.
I saw tayo.
Oo. At ganun nakatanda ang aming eskwelahan. Kami naman po ay hindi noong 1908 pumasok dyan.
Ay, hindi ba ikaw yung original batch? Hindi nyo ba ano ngayon?
Hindi.
Homecoming.
Mga original po ron, ha?
Centennial homecoming. In the meantime, here's Canaleta with a pull-up and muscle on the offense. Reyes with the rebound. Teka. Violation naman talaga dahil tumama na sa bubog yung tira ni Canaleta.
So ang bola ay pupunta pa rin sa koponan ng Santa Lucia at nagsimula na tayong bumati. Babatiin ko lang yung mga co-parents ko, yung may father and son camping kami ganun weekend, yung mga taga Lasal Green Hills, mga grade 1 Cub Scout, nag-iisa po kayo dyan, especially yung mga taga-section 4C. Yan, magbabait na tatay ng 4C.
Here's Arwin Santos against Kelly Williams. Look out! Santos! Wadalaya!
Ratchada. Talagang express ang mga galaw. Kanito, Bobby Cruz, now it's Arwin Santos. Ba, kailangan sumagutan niya Santa Lucia dito. At kalimutan naman nila muna ang kanilang kalamangan.
Here's Espino. Gonzalez is fouled.
Almost traveled dun si Dennis Espino pero nakakita ng mapapasahan doon ni Norman Gonzalez na laging nandun, lurking dun sa ilalim at nakikitang mapasahan itong si Norman Gonzalez. He was successful kanina but now he was fouled. So sa free throw line niya kukunin ng mga puntos. But then again, he's successful din sa free throw line. First attempt niya na ipasok, a total of 8 for Norman Gonzalez. So he's back to a 12-point lead, make the 13. At it's really nice to see itong mga Santa Lucia players with lights of umulon na si Norman Gonzalez. At sisipag kasi nitong mga batang ito. Mag-basketball hindi lang kumain.
Kitang-kita naman.
Oo.
Certainly hard workers on and off the hard court. Si Kelly Williams sinawagan ng kanyang pangalawang personal foul. Penalty na ang Santa Lucia, 2 free throws for the Da Vinci of Dunk, KG Canaleta.
Si Coach Bo, panay ang sigaw dun sa mga bata sa R21. Dahil nararamdaman niya, lumalayo na ito mga ito. Dahil lumalayo na yung R21, ang Santa Lucia rather. All the more sinisigaw niya, kailangan lang paigtingin ang kanilang laban. Sapagkat sabi nga niya ang kahalagahan nito, yung pagtungo nila sa wildcard race.
Did you just see that put-back one-handed slam dunk by Arwin Santos? I think this crowd is still shocked sa taas ng talon ni Arwin Santos.
At ang masakit doon, no effort at all for Arwin Santos.
I think you can really fully appreciate that dunk when we see the replay.
Correct.
Parang manghang-mangha yung mga tao dito.
Ulat
Ito nakakamangha, itong ginawa ni Arwin Santos. We've seen a lot of slam dunks, but this is just incredible. Look at Arwin Santos go up, 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 and away. Halos maumpok na siya dun sa ring. As you can look at it, Yakult slam dunk, Yakult everyday okay, sigurado ka siya.
We have to remind Arwin Santos na dalawa ang kamay niya. Sa isa lang ginamit niya ron.
Pwede time out.
Balik po tayo dito sa aksyon. 87-77, may 10-point lead para sa kupunan ng Santa Lucia. Pero kami ni Miko hindi pa rin makapagsalita dahil pinakita nitong si Arwin Santos. Last batak na kumakain pa rin ng hotdog ito si Miko. The Sunday crowd, talagang masayang masayaw dito. Ibang klaseng basketball ang ating nakikita. At sa kaganda ng mga pinapakita ng mga players natin, talagang kami ay hindi nakasalita.
At hindi umayaw para si Arwin Santos. Yan ang ating Revicon Forte, lakas hindi umayaw moment. Atid sa inyo na Revicon Forte para sa lakas hindi umayaw.
Dumbfounded, ika nga. Sa Tagalog mukhang tanga. Humahanga. Talagang napapamangha sa mga ibang tira. Hindi lang yung dunk ni Arwin kanina, yung dunk ni Kelly Williams. At syempre lahat namangha dun sa bato ni Winnie Arboleda sa likod ni Ryan. Gary David bagong pasok pero nag-report kagad ng 2 points sa total of 7 for Mr. Pure Energy.
Meantime, Coronel, George Gonzalez, Williams, Aquino, and Omalon, and rebound is for Arboleda. At nagkahabol pa rin ang Air 21 dito down by 10 big points.
3 points. So, ito, kumamay lang kay Gusdano Espiritu, biglang gumaling na kamay nito si Gary David.
Well, Gary David, I think to get back in winning form, dito sa kanyang pagbabalik sa PBA. 7-point ball game in favor of Santa Lucia. Here's Williams. High looper, no goal. Omolon, put back, wala. Omolon, one more try, wala pa rin. Tapigan ng bola din sa Boot Coronel.
Reset ang sinasabi ni Christian.
Gonzalez says, I'll shoot. And I'll score! TM3.
12 points para dito kay Norman Gonzalez. Yung kombinasyon ng Umulan at Gonzalez, nakakasakit na.
At yung kombinasyon na yan, offense-depensa yan.
Tama ka. Mas depensa actually, but not tonight.
Meantime, here's David in no man's land. Kick out pass na agaw ni Norman Gonzalez. Pero natapik palabas ni Arwin Santos. Ball will stay with Santa Lucia. At ito yung TM3 kanina. Former San Beda Red Lion Norman Gonzalez. Kapit sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte Sim, 30 pesos lang. So bagong Discarte ka na.
I was reading a column dun sa Inquirer. Kamamatay din ng
Meantime, here's Arwin Santos all alone on the other end. Santos now with 20 points in the ball game, pero 10 puntos pa rin ang abante rito ng Santa Lucia.
Nakawalan puntos no? Pagalingan, liga nga.
Under a minute to go in the third quarter. Dito sa third quarter, talagang lumayo ang Santa Lucia. The snatcher goes to work. Arboleda on the move. Arboleda loses the ball. And here's Gonzalez. Norman Gonzalez on the attack. Back pass. Williams all the way for two.
That's recognition on the part of Norman Gonzalez. Realizing that Kelly Williams is behind him. Ang ganda ng assist, ang ganda ng completion, and what a play for Santa Lucia. We see it again. Norman Gonzalez, naramdaman. Umaasa na, nadang na. Layup na lang, pero 3-point play ito. Plus the power from Marvin Santos, pero hindi na kompleto ang free throw ni Kelly Williams.
Nevertheless, you know, the Santa Lucia team, I mean, they're not only successful because they are one win away from entering the semifinals. They are an exciting team.
At they're playing selflessly, nga talagang hinahanap nila kung sino mas bukas sa kanilang mga kampe. And that's doing wonders para sa kupunan ni Coach Boyet.
Ito na, maubos ang oras sa third quarter. 16 remaining in the period as Homer says scores on the following.
Si Homer siya, very consistent pa rin all the quarters na nilaro niya. Nandun si Homer siya now with a total of 20.
9 seconds remaining bago matapos ang third quarter. Here's Coronel for 3. Short.
Tumurso nada si Coronel but that time. Kapos ito. So itong si Homer siya, we're talking about his scoring. Conference high na rin niya. Itong kanyang naipuproduce dito.
As Gary David launches one to end the third quarter. So dito sa third quarter, we had several exciting highlight plays. For the story of it all, itong Santa Lucia ay biglang lumayo na rito. Up by 10 big points, 96-86 over Air 21. Yan ang score at sa inyo ng San Miguel Beer Pale Pilsen. Ang beer na walang katulad, we'll be back with the fourth and final quarter. Great Sunday crowd on hand para mapanood itong PBA doubleheader. Laban ng Air 21 at Santa Lucia. Meantime, here's our boy Coke Shot. Brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang buhay Coke, buksan mo.
Kulang na lang uminom ng Coke sa ere. Ito si Kelly Williams dun sa layup na. Among others, yung kanyang mga high-flying shots na pinakita tonight.
Kaya tuntua itong ating Sunday crowd inside the Big Dome.
Of course, anticipating yung second game mamaya. Ginebra at Talk and Text.
And you know, every time Ginebra and Talk and Text meet, it's always an interesting ballgame.
Kahit nasa cook na si Taulaba, ay pag Talk and Text Ginebra, talagang nandito ang mga fans ng dalawang kapunan.
Meantime, Omolon clears the steal para sa Santa Lucia as we begin action in the fourth and final quarter. On the floor for the Realtors, Omolon, who's playing a career ball game with 32 points. Dennis Da, Norman Gonzalez, Marlo Aquino, and at the point guard spot, rookie Christian Coronel. Here's Gonzalez, fires, no go. On the floor for Air 21, si Doug Kramer, Gary David, Willie Arboleda, Homer Se, at si KG Canaleta.
Air 21 still hoping na matapatan nila itong momentum ng Santa Lucia. Si Gary David sana muna doon, pero mintis yung tira niya at may foul si Dennis Daa sa rebound play.
First personal laban kay Daa. Muli po ang Santa Lucia, if they win this ball game, ay sila po ipasok na sa semifinal, automatic semifinal sa po sila along with the Pure Fruits Tender Juicy Giants.
Well, Homer Sim, may 22 points na pero hindi maganda yung kanyang landing.
Homer is still in the backcourt. Meantime, here's Coronel for 3. Kramer with the rebound. At ito na, humingi na ng timeout dito ang Air 21 dahil si Homer C ay may nireklamang problema sa kanyang kaliwang tuhod. So timeout muna tayo rito sa mga unang bahagi ng fourth quarter. Lamang pa rin ng Santa Lucia, 96-88. Inyo pa rin pinapanood ang PBA on ABC Sports. Miko Halili with Radio Di Malibot, Eric Reyes and Peaches Abirin.
Well, itong mga taga Santa Lucia, riding high on the performance of this guy, Super Bitoy. Career high na yung kanyang 32 points at 8 out of 12 ang kanyang shooting. Ibang klase itong si Bitoy. Pero ang maganda dito kay Omulon, no? Ang dami nang ini-score pero hindi rin nababawasan ang kanyang sipag sa depensa.
Lalo pa nga siyang sumisipag sa kanyang pinapakita sa laro ito. Right now, his assignment is Gary David. Aradel de Ocampo against Daa. And now, Arboleda goes to Camileta inside Kramer. Kramer steps out of the shaded lane, fires no ball. Arboleda with a rebound, bago shot clock for the Express. Arboleda pa rin na may tanga ng bola against Ryan Reyes. Possibly two of the strongest point guards physically in the PBA. Bola na kay Kramer, and Kramer na bangga sa loob ni Marlo Aquino.
Body check by Marlo Aquino. Pangalawa ito para kay Marlo Aquino. Walang malaking stop natin ang third quarter na kailangan pagtuunan ng pansin itong coaching staff ng Air 21. They're not giving up those assists. 3 assists lamang kanilang naibigay kumpara sa 11 ng Santa Lucia. Very patient with their half-court offense. Panay ang pasa at hanggang makita yung mga luwag na player sila. That's another score for Air 21, but again, you see no assist in that play.
Sariling siga. Although it's just a 6-point deficit here. Santa Lucia on top, 96-90. Sa mga unang bahagi pa rin tayo ng fourth and final quarter.
Si Coach Boyet naman, ayaw niya maging complacent dito sa kanilang mga bata. They have gotten control of the ball game since the second quarter. Pero dapat nilang pansinin, lumiliit na rin itong kalamangan nito. It's only a 6-point lead. So he's not taking any chances. Si Marlo pagpapahingihin na muna. Balik si Dennis Espino.
At the bola na kay Dennis Espino against Kramer, rookie. Here's Williams for 3. Kramer with the rebound. But Kramer may 8 rebounds na sa gabing ito. Here's Gary David for 3.
Malakas ang energy dun sa kanyang
Too much energy. Here's Omolon.
You see the respect na nakakuha nito si Bitoy Omulon offensively tonight. Ang layo pa niya. Hinaharas na siya ng maigi nito si KG Canileta, giving up his third personal foul. Mahirap na. Ibang klase ang mga galaw ni Bitoy ngayon.
Here's Reyes Espino for 3. Diretso pero kapos. And here's Arboleda. 6 points ang kalamburahin dito ng Air 21. Here's Arboleda for 3. Both teams trading misfires in the recent possessions. So Miranda wants to set the table properly. Bola na kay Omolon against Canaleta. Omolon, he goes baseline and he is fouled.
Dalawa na, kailangan pumigil dito, but that's a good defensive job on the part of Air 21. Pero yung momentum hindi na napigilan. Hindi nasabay ni KG Canileta ang galaw ni Bitoy. So matatawagan si Canileta ng kanyang pang-apat na personal foul. And the points of Bitoy Omolon continues to pour on. 33 big points for Bitoy Omolon.
May ulat tayo regarding homers courtesy of Eric Reyes.
Well, Mika, I was checking on Homer siya. Nakita ko nga na pinupulikat ang kanyang left calf muscle. Sabi niya, susubukan pa niya makabalik in his ballgame kasi nga, ang ganda-ganda ng contribution niya for Air 21. But at this point, sa bench kanina, umiinom na siya ng rehydration salts para mawala yung pamumulikat ng kanyang pa. Miko?
Salamat, Eric. Let's see if babalik si Homer sa ating laro. Meantime, Pomolon is playing the game of his life.
And that's the veteran in Dennis Espino. Kinuha niya yung depensa at nakita niya ang luwag na kakape. That's Umulon again.
Ditoy Omolon with 36 big-time points. And he's showing no signs of stopping dito sa ating laro.
And why not? Kita mo naman, hindi naman talaga niya kinukuha yung bola para idiretso eh. Nandun lang siya sa ilalim o kaya nasa labas. But yung mga kick out at yung magagandang paso ng kanyang kakampi, he's been the recipient because he's been delivering the goods.
And that's why he's our Grand Matador Brandy blazing player. Atid sa inyo ng Grand Matador Brandy. Tuloy ang init. Eh, napaka-init naman talaga ni Bitoy Omolon. Hardly noticed when he was playing for Xavier University in Cagayan de Oro. And then nakatapak dito sa Maynila. He went to play for the TCU Dolphins. And then nakapagpakita ang gila sa PBL. And akpa yung kanyang credo, kumbaga, yung kanyang mantra. You reap what you sow.
Ayan. Pag nagtanim ka ng kamote, kamote rin. Pero ito, iba ang itinanim nito, basketball.
Here's Miranda with the rebound. Ito, nakatingin sila kay Omolon. Here's Bitoy Omolon and he has 38 points in the ballgame.
Ulit-ulitin natin, hindi niya sinosolihan. Nandun lang siya, he's been moving without the ball. Sumasabay siya sa pacing ng kanyang mga kampo. At hindi nangingiming ipasa sa kanya ng mga gwardya ang bola. He's been finishing the pathway plays very well.
12 puntos ang abante rito ng Santa Lucia. Arwin Santos scoring the putback. And going back to Bitoy Omolon. You know, his 38 points, okay, it's actually a product of this very efficient and unselfish system ng Santa Lucia.
Correctly so. Dahil kita mo sa play na yan, si Dennis Espino naman, ang gumalaw ng walang bola. Pinantayan nila si Bitoy Omolon. Somebody has to be open dahil may isang taga-21 na iwan. Ryan Reyes with a good pass. Hindi kayo papahiya ng leader nyo.
Well, itong Santa Lucia ay gusto ng pasukuin itong Air 21 with over 7 minutes to go in the ballgame.
When Coach Boyd called the timeout, lumalapit ng Air 21. 6 points na lang ang kalamangan nila. Pero sa isang iglap, binalik nila sa 13.
Here's De Ocampo. Chia. 4-3. Rebound para kay Kelly Williams. Here's Miranda. Yanok Miranda. And now Gonzalez, 4-3, open shot!
Omolon, Gonzalez tandem. Hindi ito Batman and Robin. Parang Batman at Superman ito na yung gabi.
17 points for Norman Gonzalez. At lumayo na naman ang Santa Lucia rito, 108-92. Si Boss Exy Robles of the Santa Lucia Realtors should be very happy at this point. Talagang kumakamata yung kanyang koponan. And we'll be right back with more action from the Big Ball. Back inside the Big Dome at halos nangangalahati na tayo dito sa fourth and final quarter. And Santa Lucia threatening to pull away here in the final period.
Well, the hottest team in the PBA, Santa Lucia, with a 7-game winning streak, hoping to stretch it to 8, again with a hot 12-2 run in the last 2 minutes of play.
And you know, they're doing it not with amazing one-on-one plays, but with simple, fundamental, unselfish team basketball.
Assists have been the key para sa koponan ng Santa Lucia. At nakikita mo yung glow sa mata ng mga taga Santa Lucia nung coming off the huddle. Talagang masayang-masaya sila. Iisa ang mukha ang nakikita mo.
Here's Ranadel De Ocampo on the move. Fires. That shot was deflected by Omolon.
Ronnie Del is absent tonight.
Hindi lang yan, he's also on the verge of fouling out in this ballgame. Marvin Cruz gets the steal. He has the ball. Pinasa kay Chia. Jack Chia on the move. Kick out pass. Radamel de Ocampo, no goal. Rebound para kay Norman Gonzalez.
Laylay na, balikan mga taga-F21. Although kalahating quarter pa itong nakikita natin, 6 minutes and 6 seconds pa tayo. Pero ang momentum ng Santa Lucia dito, ang iksing.
This Kelly Williams. Binangga. And he will take 2 free throws.
Marvin Cruz would get the foul.
Aking foul on number 12, Marvin Cruz. That is his second
Trying to
foul.
help number second team, Kelly Williams.
Kelly Williams.
Meantime, here is our No Fear Fearless move of the game. Brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the balls for it. At si Kelly Williams naman went 2 out of 2 from the line. At nadagdagan pa itong kalamangan ng Santa Lucia 110-92. Iniwan na nila ng tuluyan itong Air 21 Express. Here's Chia, go to Radamel de Ocampo. De Ocampo, what will he do with the basketball? De Ocampo still has it. He fires and he gets blocked by Kelly Williams.
Kahit ang mga taga-Air 21, bababa na sa depensa, medyo mabigat na ang mga paa dito. And you cannot blame Santa Lucia. Kailangan nila ang panalong ito. At kahit anong gawin nila, pumapasok for Santa Lucia.
Foul on number 33, Radamel de Ocampo.
Well, we mentioned that Alaska is intently watching this ball game. Probably they're saying to themselves, mahirap talaga pag wala sa'yo yung kapalaran mo, no? Pag wala sa kamay mo, pag inaasa mo sa gagawin ng iba, it's really going to be tough.
Correctly so, kapag ang iyong kapalaran ay hindi ka kasama doon sa laro. Nasa bench ka o kaya nasa audience ka lang. Dennis Espino completing yung kanyang 3-point play. Boss Buddy. Encarnado, of course, of Santa Lucia.
Approaching the last 5 minutes of the ball game. Is Marvin Cruz over to Canaleta against Gonzalez. Canaleta having trouble against Norman Gonzalez. Canaleta, tough shot.
Nino Canaleta.
Nagawa pa rin, no? Kahit ang kaharap na si Norman Gonzalez, respective defensive guy, all around him, pero ito pa rin ang KG Canaleta.
Lamang pa rin dito Santa Lucia, 113-94. With 4.5 remaining, dito sa 4th and final quarter. Espino fires. Erwin Santos with the basketball. Nagmamadali dito ang Air 21. Here's Santos. He floats and scores. Erwin Santos now with 24 points in the ball game.
Kanina pa tayong pinapakitaan ni Erwin Santos, ma-dunk, ma-jump shot, ma-layup, kung gaano siya kataas tumalog. Diba talaga mahahaba yung mga kalis eh.
Daan ng pangangatawan itong si Erwin Santos. Although Air 21, a lot of catching up to do in this ball game with only 4 minutes remaining in the 4th period. With this is Kelly Williams. Perhaps it's going to take a huge run here by Air 21 to even come close. Dahil dahan-dahan na silang nauubusan ng oras. Here's Canaleta. Fakes, fires, and almost scores off the glass.
2 on 4, kaya kailangan maghintay itong si Denok Miranda for his teammates signaling play.
If Santa Lucia holds on to win this ball game, they will join Pure Foods among the automatic semi-finalists. At dalawang automatic slots lang ang pinamimigay. Sa mga twin, malapit na nilang makuha yung second and last automatic slot. Then they will leave everyone else fighting out for the remaining 2 semi-final tickets.
We're talking about yung mga possible scenarios, minimum of 16.
Oh, mababawasan na yan.
Oo. At least yun, sa mga semi-finalist pa lang. Pero yung mga scenario sa quarter-finalist at sa wildcard phase, medyo marami pa rin complication yan.
Time out muna tayo. Labangan ng Santa Lucia, 113-96 with 3 minutes remaining in the ball game. Muli po, magandang gabi sa kanilang lahat. You're watching the PBA on ABC. And here's a Ginebra San Miguel Sarap Balikan flashback. Brought to you by Ginebra San Miguel. Sama-sama kay Sarap Balikan ng Barangay Ginebra.
Rookie of the year yan. Nung nasa Ginebra San Miguel pa siya. Now he's playing with another team, of course. Ang koponan ng Santa Lucia kung saan siya nakakuha ng kampiyonato.
Meantime, let's give you our Eco Art Design play. Our Eco Art Design play of the game brought to you by Unlimited by Mark Eco. Nice passing. All game long by Santa Lucia.
At ang kita mo, naka-anchor on Dennis Espino. Kapag pumose na itong si Dennis, hindi mo siya i-expect na didire-diretso niya. Alam niya kung paano gumalaw ang play na didesign ng kanyang coach. At yung mga kampi niya, nahanap pa rin with that well-designed and executed play para sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Dennis Espino, siya na naman ang ating makikita. Tampok sa free throws niya. Kapwa pumasok now with a total of 15. So ang mga supporting cast ni Bitoy Umulan yan, sila yung mga big stars actually.
Dahil babalik lang sa ating laro, here's Cruz, Dos Santos. Ang UAAP All-Stars ito Kramer with the basket.
Fourth point para kay Doug Kramer na ang mas contribution dito yung kanyang rebounding. Ngayon pala nakakatulong ito sa scoring. At, pero naubusan na sila ng oras. It's a 17-point lead para sa kupunan ng Santa Lucia.
7 to shoot para sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Here's Espino outside Williams. And wait a minute. Richard Babak, one of our referees, saw something amiss.
Number 18, Doug Kramer. Penalty.
Second personal laban kay Doug Kramer. Penalty ang 21. 2 shots for Dennis Espino, who is making a living from the line dito sa fourth quarter.
The last serious threat imposed by F21 was the start of this quarter. Pero dito, sa patapos, it's all Santa Lucia pa rin. You see the point distribution per quarter ng production po nito si Bitoy Umulon. New career high. Super Bitoy. Kakabit kaya yan yung pangalan niya?
Well, if he can come up with 3 or 4 consecutive 30-point games, why not?
Why not?
Why not? You cannot argue with consistency and success. Here's Marvin Cruz. Rebound para kay Espino. And nasa loob na tayo ng hot last 2 minutes. Kapit sa inyo ng Outlast. Maintenance-free batteries. Walang dagdag bawas sa tubig.
Well, babalik ako dun sa sinabi mo at the start of the game. Kompleto na ang mga karikado ni Coach Boyer Fernandez. Veterano, mga bata, mga defensive players, mga point guards, mga guards, na kahit saan aspeto mo tingnan So buong-buo na itong kanyang kupunan na ito. Pwedeng pang-fiesta na ito.
At lumipad muna doon si Marvin Cruz.
At ang kanyang kagitgitan, siyempre, yung kanyang ka-eskwela dati, si Paulo Mendoza.
Obviously, hindi naman sila nag-abot.
Oo, pero nag-uusap at magkaibigan niya. Alam mo, yung kasipagan nito si Paulo Mendoza. When si Marvin Cruz naglalaro sa bar, nakikilaro ito si Paulo sa Maroons.
So it's not true that you were trying to recruit him for the UAAP last year. Hindi totoo.
Sino?
Si Paulo Mendoza.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Dahil tapos na yung kanyang pag-aaral. Madami kaming gustong recruitin.
Here's Omolon. It's not bad.
At kita mo, kung mamintis man yun, si Kelly Williams,
Nakaabang na.
nandun na naman eh.
Life begins at 40. 40 points for Pitoy Omolon. Turn around by Marvin Cruz. It's good.
So this is a game for Santa Lucia, and what a way para i-formalize ang kanilang pagpasok sa isang outright semis. Ang danger lang nito they are on a very hot, the hottest in fact streak in the PBA with 8-game winning streak. Magpapahinga sila dahil to give way to the other phases of the tournament. So kailangan maigting pa rin ang kanilang preparasyon.
Foul scores on the layup. But ito, paubos na ang oras dito sa ating laro. And the Realtors on the bench. Ayun, nagyayakap pa na sila ron. Dahil alam nila ay pasok na sila sa semifinals kasama Pure Foods, BJ Giants. You know, when the conference started, the first 4 or 5 games, the big story was Pure Foods because they were beating opponents left and right. And then Red Bull came in, as you look at Boss Exi Robles of Santa Lucia, pondering on the bright future of his squad. And then Red Bull became the story. Surprisingly, got the second place for the most part of the tournament. But Santa Lucia came out of nowhere and started rattling off wins. Williams sends it home.
Ang dami mo raw sinasabi, Migo. Ito na lang ang papasimple dyan.
Action speaks louder than words. Slam dunks speak louder than words.
And they're really the story of the tournament.
Sila na ngayon ang storya alongside Pure Foods, and that's why sila na po ang automatic na pasok na sa semifinals. Ang ating final score 123-106 in favor of the Realtors, and Pitoy Omolon, the man of the moment with 40 big points.
The story of the moment. Santa Lucia is blazing with their guns, pero ang top gun nila ngayong gabi, si Pitoy Omolon unexpectedly.
So what a way for Santa Lucia to enter the semifinals automatically. An emphatic 123-106 win laban sa Air 21. Yan ang final score. Atid sa inyo na San Miguel Beer Pale Pilsen ng beer na walang katulad. And now let's check out our Gatorade Game Turning Point, brought to you by Gatorade. Is it in you?
Ito yung binabanggit natin na nag-a-attempt ang Air 21 lumapit by 6 points ng fourth quarter. Pero Pitoy Omolon with that fast break, tinapos siya na yung momentum. Coming from the timeout, si Pitoy Omolon, another choice for our best player of the ball game. No questions asked. Simula ang first quarter pa lamang dire-diretso with his 40 career high points for tonight.
You reap what you sow. Yan ang paboritong saying ni Omolon, and all his hard work paying dividends with this spectacular career ball game, propelling Santa Lucia into the semifinals, automatically joining Pure Foods. So Kelly Williams and the Realtors, dikit yung laban ng first half, pero they pulled away in the second half and they never looked back. Coming up next, Ginebra versus Talk and Text in a game that promises to be a big one. Yan, coming up dito sa ABC Sports. Sa ngalan ni Peaches Abilin, Eric Reyes, my partner Rado Di Malibot, I'm Nico Halili saying good evening from the Big Dome. Vuela Alta, Filipinas. This is the PBA on ABC.